Hello students, today's topic is uniform distribution. A continuous random variable x is said to have uniform distribution if its PDF, that is probability density function, is given by fx equals to 1 upon b minus a, where x lies between a and b, or fx equals to 0 otherwise. Remarks: uniform distribution will represent probability density function if integration of fx equals to 1. So in the next step we can write integration, and the limit is a to b, fx is 1 upon b minus a dx. 1 upon b minus a is constant, so we can write in this way. Integration of 1 will be x a to b 1 upon b minus a into b minus a. Okay, so this will be cancelled out and this is equal to 1. So integration of fx is equals to 1. Thus we can say that uniform distribution will represent PDF. Second remark is cumulative distribution function, that is CDF. Case 1, when x is less than a, so we will write integration minus infinity to x 0 dx, which will be equals to 0. Case 2, when x lies within a and b, so in this case integration minus infinity to a 0 dx plus integration a to x 1 upon b minus a dx 0 plus 1 upon b minus a x okay. Case 3, when x is greater than b, so the cumulative distribution function can be written as in this way. Okay, Third remark is median. We know that median divides the whole distribution in two equal parts. So we can write probability that x is less than and equal to median, it will be equals to 0.5 or half. Okay. In the next step, we have already calculated the CDF as x minus a upon b minus a when x lies within a and b. So in the next step we can write m minus a whole upon b minus a equals to half. Median equals to b minus a upon 2 plus a and this will become a plus b upon 2. Okay, so the median in case of uniform distribution is a plus b upon 2. Next one is mean. And this will become x square upon 2 a to b we can apply the identity and this will become b plus a b minus a. This will be cancelled out and the final answer will be Ex equals to a plus b upon 2. Okay, so we have calculated the mean in case of uniform distribution as a plus b upon 2. Next one is variance. To calculate the variance, we need to find Ex square. And this will become x cube upon 3 Here we can use the identity and this will become okay. Now this will be cancelled out. So this is the value of Ex square. Now to calculate the variance, Ex square minus Ex whole square. Okay. In the next step we can write now we will take the LCM as 12 and this will become now 4b square minus 3b square is b square and 4ab minus 6ab, it is minus 2ab. 4a square minus 3a square is a square. And this can be written as in this form. So the variance in case of uniform distribution is b minus a whole square upon 12. Okay. Now let us solve this question. If x is uniformly distributed with mean 1 and variance 4 by 3, find its PDF. Probability that x is less than and equals to 0, and third part is median. So we have given that mean equals to 1, that is expected value of x is equals to 1. We know that Ex in case of uniform distribution is a plus b upon 2 this is equals to 1. Now a plus b will be equals to 2. So this can be taken as first equation. And the second thing we have given is variance of x is four upon 3. So the variance in case of uniform distribution is b minus a whole square upon 12 equals to 4 upon 3. This will become plus minus 4, right? So there can be two cases. If b minus a equals to 4 and the first equation we have is b plus a equals to 2, so if we solve these two equations we will get 2b equals to 6, b equals to 3. Putting b equals to 3 in any of these equations, we will get a equals to minus 1. Okay. Now let's consider the second case, that if b minus a equals to minus 4 and the first equation is b plus a equals to 2, again we will solve these two equations. This will be cancelled out. 2b equals to minus 2 and b equals to minus 1. Putting b equals to minus 1 in any of these equations, we will get a equals to 3. Now we know that in case of uniform distribution, the limits are given as in this way, that x lies between a and b. So we will reject this one and the value of b will be 3 and a equals to minus 1. So the limit will be minus 1 to 3. Okay. Now the PDF, which is fx equals to 1 upon b minus a, where a is less than x less than b. Okay. In the next step, 1 upon 3 minus of minus 1, and this will be equals to 1 upon 4, where minus 1 less than x less than 3. So the PDF is 1 upon 4. Fine. Next part is probability x less than and equal to 0. Okay. So -1 to 0 fx dx, -1 to 0 fx is 1 by 4, and this will become 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1 by 4. So the probability that x is less than and equals to 0 is equal to 1 by 4. Last part is we need to calculate median. We know that probability x less than and equals to median is equal to 0.5 or half. Fx is 1 by 4. So the median is equals to 1. Done. Next question. Subway trains on a certain line run every half hour. So this is a case of uniform distribution. What is the probability that a man entering the station at random will have to wait at least 20 minutes? Solution. Let x be a random variable which denote the waiting time in minutes for the next train, then x will follow uniform distribution, that is x follows uniform distribution and the limits are 0 to 30. We can find its PDF as fx equals to 1 upon b minus a equals to 1 upon 30 minus 0, which is equals to 1 upon 30, and we can write its PDF in this manner. Okay. Now we need to calculate the probability that a man entering the station at random will have to wait at least 20 minutes. So basically we need to find probability x greater than and equals to 20. 20 to 30, fx is 1 upon 30. And this will become 30 minus 20, which is 10. So the final answer is 1 upon 3. So the required probability is 1 upon 3. Okay. Thank you.